Hi, I'm Diego Mazzoni, and I'm here to discuss our plastic rail that's going to go on your existing shelving. And this is an important component to your overall ESL solution. ESL is meant to be a permanent fixture and technology in your stores, and we want to make sure that they're mounted properly onto your existing hardware. In this case, we're going to be looking at your metal shelves. Now, in Canadian Tire, you do have what would appear to be Lozier shelving, but the trick over here is, if you look, there's that little lip at the bottom, lip at the top, lip at the bottom. We'll call this our C channel, and what we're going to do is we're going to install our 211 model rail into this C channel. But before I do that, I just want to explain to you something. In some cases, and in particular with Canadian Tire and for Lozier shelving, the distance or the curve over here can vary. So there's different strategies as to how to use this, and there's only really two strategies as to how to use this if that's the case. But let's start off by looking at how to properly insert the C channel into here. If you'll notice on the front, this is where we're going to snap in our electronic shelf label, and this is where we're going to insert the C channel on this hinge part over here. Okay, there's an opening there. So I'll start at this end, and I'm going to get that C channel in at the back. And then I just want to very gingerly just push up, and not all the way, just so it's on there, okay? So if I was to push up, I want to hear that snap, so that if you look over here, this lip is sitting in this channel. It has to sit there. That's what makes this not pop off your shelf. We want it to be fixed on there. So this little opening is meant to sit over and under this metal C channel. So in this particular case, I know by having previously tried to push up, it will seem like it fits perfectly, but I didn't hear the pop. So what we want to do is we want to just pull out the lip at the top, okay, and just push it up over. Normally, this plastic seam should be in that C channel, but in this case, the Lozier shelving is a little bit tighter, so that plastic seam is going to sit flush with it, okay? And the way we do that is we pull this out, it's flexible, and push up, and you hear that snap. There you go. There you go. You heard that snap? That's a sign that it's in properly. Now, if we go back and we look, you see how it's seated in there? That's a sign that if I was to pull on this, it's not going to come off. I'm leaning on that, and it's not coming off. Later, we'll put in our labels where your prices were, and we'll snap those in place securely. And if we want to, we can adjust the angle with our angle adapters that will slide into this track over here. There's a separate video for that. Thank you so much.